If you're tired of worrying about breakdowns and costly repairs, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of motorcycles to uncover the 7 most reliable bikes with engines built to last a lifetime. These aren't just good bikes. They're legendary for their bulletproof durability, proving that true peace of mind on 2 wheels is absolutely attainable. Let's get started. Number 7. Moto Guzzi Griso 1200. The Moto Guzzi Griso 1200 boasts a striking, almost futuristic design, appearing as if it was sculpted by someone who found building spaceships too mundane. It's muscular, uniquely elegant, and carries a strong Italian character. However, beneath its impressive exterior lies a motorcycle of exceptional mechanical integrity and reliability, surprising those who assume Italian bikes prioritize aesthetics over durability. This machine is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeter air and oil-cooled transverse V-twin engine, which is as distinctive in appearance as it is robust in performance. The engine's sideways mounting is a deliberate design choice, contributing to its simplicity, efficient cooling, and ease of maintenance. A shaft drive eliminates the need for chain maintenance, and the engine, known for its low revving torque, has a track record of accumulating high mileage with only basic care. Its pushrod setup, dry sump lubrication, and relaxed internal components give it a steady, enduring mechanical heart that rarely falters. While it may growl and vibrate, it never feels fragile, challenging common perceptions about Italian motorcycle reliability. A solid used Griso 1200 can typically be found for around $6,000 to $8,000, representing excellent value for its unique character and durability. The Griso 1200 is a uniquely appealing motorcycle, built with the strength of a tank and the unwavering loyalty of a faithful companion, complete with a deep, authoritative exhaust note. Number 6. Suzuki SV650. This is a bike that mechanics genuinely respect and often wish they owned themselves. It's a testament to simple V-twin fun that consistently performs without issues. The SV650 has earned its reputation as a motorcycle that delivers excellent value. Underneath its classic styling, the SV650 features a 650cc V-twin engine that has remained largely unchanged for many years. This is because Suzuki got the design right from the start. The engine is known for its smooth power delivery and predictable response, making it surprisingly quick without being overly aggressive. Riders frequently report their SV650 surpassing 100,000 miles with only basic maintenance, such as oil changes and filter replacements. There's no complicated liquid-cooled system to worry about, nor intricate valve technology requiring specialized tools or expertise for adjustments. Keeping the SV650 running smoothly is remarkably affordable. Parts are readily available, repairs are straightforward, and ownership costs are minimal. It's a motorcycle that simply works reliably every time you need it, without any unexpected warning lights or expensive fixes. The SV650 isn't just reliable, it's a durable machine with a distinct personality, offering long-term riding enjoyment for a reasonable investment. The 2025 Suzuki SV650 ABS starts at around $8,049. Ultimately, the SV650 represents enduring reliability and character. It's a motorcycle that can be with you for years, from your first rides to long road trips, and even possibly for future generations learning to ride. Number 5. Royal Enfield Bullet 500. This motorcycle is more than just a bike. It's a piece of history that refuses to fade away. With its classic vintage appearance and an exhaust note reminiscent of old-school rock and roll, the Bullet 500 never aimed to be modern. It simply remained true to its roots. At its heart, the Bullet 500 is powered by a 500cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, embodying old-school charm and mechanical simplicity. This engine has proven its resilience against various challenging conditions, from floods to mountain treks, and has even been serviced by mechanics with limited tools. It operates on pure mechanical toughness, thumping along with a surprisingly soothing rhythm. The secret to its remarkable reliability lies in its understressed, overbuilt design, which avoids excessive complexity. There are no intricate electronics to malfunction, no radiators to leak, and no complex valve setups. It's simply a robust engine designed to endure, with a large piston moving consistently for potentially hundreds of thousands of miles. When it was still sold in the United States, you could acquire one for around $5,000. In India, the Royal Enfield Bullet 500 typically starts around 2.44 lakh Indian rupees. The Bullet 500 is the definition of quiet dependability. It doesn't seek attention or break down unnecessarily. It simply continues to perform day after day, regardless of the conditions. Number 4. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. This cruiser successfully combines stylish aesthetics with exceptional dependability. It's substantial enough to feel like a proper touring machine, yet remains easy to handle, even for casual riders. The Vulcan 900 delivers classic cruiser appeal without the common reliability concerns sometimes associated with the style. Powering this chrome-laden cruiser is a 900cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, which has consistently earned high marks for its reliability over the years. This engine provides ample torque for enjoyable rides on winding roads without demanding extensive maintenance. It's not temperamental, doesn't easily overheat, and won't unexpectedly display error codes like some high-performance sport bikes. In fact, many owners consider it nearly maintenance-proof. Regular oil changes and coolant checks are usually all that's required to keep the Vulcan purring smoothly for over 100,000 miles. There are no complex valve adjustments or demanding electronic systems requiring constant attention. Just a robust power plant built to perform its job consistently and effectively. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 starts at around $9,399 for the classic model. Overall, the Vulcan 900 harmonizes comfort, classic style, and practicality. It's not just reliable, it's a loyal machine that starts consistently, cruises effortlessly, and allows you to focus on the riding experience rather than repair bills. Number 3. Honda CB750. This motorcycle is often compared to a resilient oak tree, firmly rooted in its era, yet still standing strong and stable. The CB750 exemplifies Honda's engineering philosophy from that period. Simple, well-balanced machines built to be practically immune to failure. Even today, you can find well-maintained used examples. The 750cc air-cooled inline-4 engine is a marvel of mechanical design. It doesn't produce extreme power or sudden bursts. Instead, it simply runs, smooth and consistent, with friendly and predictable power delivery. This engine performs reliably whether you're pushing it to high RPMs or cruising at a leisurely pace. It earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible, with many riders pushing them beyond 150,000 miles with minimal maintenance beyond routine tasks. Importantly, there's no complex technology to malfunction, no overheating issues to contend with, and no exotic parts that are difficult to find. It relies on a straightforward design of valves, cams, and pistons to deliver remarkable dependability. Clean, used examples of the Honda CB750 can still be found for around $4,000 to $5,000. Newer versions like the 2025 Honda CB750 Hornet are available starting around $7,999. The CB750 is a product of meticulous engineering designed for longevity. It may not be the loudest or flashiest bike, but it possesses the quiet confidence of a machine that has consistently outlasted many newer, more intricate models. Number 2. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing is more than just a motorcycle. It's a two-wheeled luxury touring machine that boasts exceptional longevity. Renowned for its long-distance comfort, its most defining characteristic is its almost unbelievable reliability. Beneath its extensive chrome, advanced audio systems, and heated features lies a horizontally opposed flat-six engine. Depending on the generation, this engine is typically between 1,200 and 1,800 cubic centimeters. It is remarkably smooth, quiet, and engineered with the meticulous precision for which Honda is famous. This engine is so robustly built that riders commonly achieve over 200,000 miles and continue riding without major issues. It rarely develops leaks or rattles, and it effortlessly handles carrying two riders with a full trunk, even when climbing steep inclines, operating with the calm endurance of a seasoned traveler. The shaft drive system minimizes maintenance, and even its electronic systems are designed for consistent, problem-free operation. A new Honda Goldwing starts around $25,200, with higher trims reaching up to $33,500. The Goldwing is the motorcycle you choose when you prioritize unwavering dependability and comfort above all else. It doesn't just start, it glides smoothly. It doesn't merely survive, it thrives. While it is a large motorcycle, it handles its size with surprising grace, offering a truly exceptional and enduring riding experience. Number 1. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is a motorcycle that seemingly gets everything right without overcomplicating things. It's lightweight, agile, affordable, and incredibly reliable, almost to the point of being remarkable. Whether you're a novice rider or have decades of experience, the MT-07 consistently performs day in and day out without issues. At its core is a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, which Yamaha calls the CP2, and most riders universally acknowledge as virtually indestructible. This engine is a torquey workhorse, providing ample power to keep rides engaging in every gear while also being fuel efficient. Crucially, it's built to last. Owners frequently report mileage exceeding 100,000 miles with minimal problems, requiring only routine oil changes, valve checks at recommended intervals, and occasional chain replacements. There are no complex electronic modes to glitch or demanding cooling systems to maintain. Just one of the most robust and smoothly running parallel twins ever integrated into a middleweight motorcycle frame. A new Yamaha MT-07 typically starts around $8,599. The MT-07 sets the standard for a set-it-and-forget-it motorcycle. It doesn't aim to be a technological showcase, a status symbol, or a garage queen. Instead, it's the kind of bike that reliably starts every morning, completes every ride, and quietly awaits the next adventure. Truly built for enduring performance. And that wraps up our look at the most reliable motorcycles with forever-lasting engines. These bikes prove that durability doesn't mean sacrificing the thrill of the ride. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and let us know your favorite reliable bike in the comments below. Ride safe.